what is TikTok? So it's a short form of mobile videos which helps user generated content, and has given birth to a lot of micro influencers in India especially. Earlier it was known as a different brand Musically, but it didn't work. But as when they rebranded as TikTok, it has gone up to different level, and now you have a lot of micro influencer who have become full-fledged influencer and also signed on to music records like Z Music. Sony is signing, and they're doing a lot of collaboration and brag activities. So this is net what TikTok is offering to all the users. I mean all the advertisers, and like Pritesh always bifurcates the entire digital gamut, which is very vast, but into two things. One is branding, another one is performance. So this presentation would also be in the similar format where you have one section which is branding, another section which is performance. Yeah, so we'll start with branding. So when an advertiser want to advertise, so what are the things which he gets? So if you want to do awareness and reach and engagement campaign, then you do branding ads, and there the inventory is premium. What do you mean by premium? So every organization or team have two kind of sales process. One is self-serve, and another one is through their sales representative. So as of now, the branding, if you want to do a branding campaign, that is usually done via TikTok ad sales team, which is there, and that is where you can do a lot of innovations and other stuff with them. So on branding campaign, the inventory is definitely premium, and they offer you lot of advantage to that. Let's talk about placement which they have. So the first placement which they have is takeover or top view. Though both are synonym to each other, there's one difference that I'll take you through later. So what is takeover? Takeover is whenever you open your TikTok app, the first full screen ad which you see is takeover. Okay. So now what are the companies which are doing? So you often see FMCG companies, you see, Pepsi, which is doing a lot of takeover ads. And just to give you an estimate costing for takeover ad, it is buyed on, the bidding for it is cost per time. You can buy it for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. And this is such a hot cake for TikTok that as of now, if you talk about their inventory, then we were talking about for one hour for client, but the inventory was booked for 3 months, and the charge with the the cost which they take for 1 day takeover pan India is approximately 30 to 35 lakh rupees. Still, that is sold off for 2 to 3 months. So that tells about the platform and the power that platform has. When you talk about top view, it's similar to same. It takes your whole screen whenever user opens an app after the takeover. Or and the only best part of this is do not have to buy it for whole day. You can buy it versus on the impressions and views, but definitely that is premium. Talking about in-feed ads are very general ads. Whenever you're scrolling your ad, so after every 3 to 4 videos, you have an ad. So this ad could be about challenge. I think someone is trying to enter. Rajiv Pandya. Yeah. So in-feed ads are those ads which come whenever you're going through videos and you see those ads coming in between. Those are in-feed videos. Hashtag challenge. So wow, this is another very important offerings of TikTok. What a hashtag challenge over here. Hashtag challenge are a proposal which they give, where they give you a branded hashtag. So someone, whenever there is someone searching, let's take example swag se swagat. So if someone is searching swag se swagat, then what they do, they give you a screen on the search. Wherever user, there is a place on TikTok where you can search for videos. There, anyone who is using that paid hashtag challenge, your all videos would be deposited over there. So it's amazing product. And then what the brands do is they buy a hashtag, and they also tie up with micro influencers who use this hashtag. So just by using hashtag and micro influencers, there are thousands of videos which get multiplied, because a lot of people use this hashtag challenge and they create video on that because it is trending, and it gets overwhelming response to users and brand. Talking about ad format, they use static GIF and video, which I think you all are aware. What's a kind of bidding? So it's a guaranteed buy. So if you take suppose example CPT, that entire whole day your ad would be there. If you take impression like 5 lakh impression or 10 lakh impression, you take it and you would have it for whenever time frame or whatever targeting you have accrued, you leave the arrow and they'll block that for you. When you talk about targeting option, you can target about the operating system, gender, male, female, network, state and city, or the age group which you want to talk. Talking about brand safe, so this is, since it's a premium inventory, what they do is they do topping. What is topping is that they place your ad between the top 5% of your UGC content. So it's, suppose let's take, there are two videos which are very popular, which is user generated and which is very popular. So there is one video, after that there is another popular video. Between those two videos your ad will show, hence it becomes very premium brand as such. So net, I mean, these are the things which you have in branding which TikTok is offering at prima facie, and this is how buyers look at it or the advertisers look at it, and that is how TikTok team pitches to them. So these are the list of inventories which they have for branding campaign if someone wants to do.